Yo, what is up, boys? In this video, we're going to show you how you can access a hidden web browser on your Nintendo Switch 2. This really works for any sort of web browser that you would like to use, and it's actually very easy to go ahead and do, but can be a little complicated during certain times. So make sure you watch all the way through the video. And of course, make sure you like and subscribe for more Nintendo Switch 2 tutorials, just like so. And even though the Switch 2 doesn't necessarily come with a built-in browser like a phone or computer does, there's actually a super simple trick that unlocks full web browsing, allowing you to watch movies, stream sports, browse Google, basically do anything you would normally do on a standard web browser. So let's go ahead and dive straight into this. From your home screen, scroll down until you find the system settings and open it up. And from here, you're going to want to scroll down until you find internet. Go to the internet settings just like so. And once it does load, find your current internet that you're connected to. Tap on it and then click change settings. And from here, scroll down until you find DNS settings. Go ahead and open it up and change it to manual. And it's going to pop up with codes that look something like this. For the primary DNS, you're going to want to go ahead and change it to 045.055.142.122. By default, there's going to be zeros in this field. Just replace them with this code that I currently have. You can even take a screenshot or write it down if you need to. Once you do that though, simply go ahead and hit save and then OK. It's going to take you back to this previous screen that looks something like this. You're going to want to go ahead and try and reconnect to your network. It'll load for a second and it's going to appear that it connects you to a wireless network but won't connect you to the internet. Simply go ahead and hit OK on this page and it's going to load for a second. What it's going to do is take you to a page that looks something like this. From here, you can go ahead and choose whatever web browser you'd like. You can use Google, which is like the best one. You can use DuckDuckGo, switchbru, different DNS forums, and you could also sign a petition to make this a genuine thing. But I'm going to go to Google for the sake of this, and from here you can go ahead and visit your favorite websites. For example, you can just Google whatever you'd like. I'm going to search up Roblox, just like so, hit select. And as you can see, I'm literally browsing on Google. I can even go to the websites itself, and in this example, play Roblox. It's pretty awesome. Some other examples of things you could do, just visit your favorite website, stream content. You can also watch movies, sports, or shows, or just browse like normal. It's literally a fully working browser in your Switch. Now to switch back to your normal mode, just go ahead and pretty much exit out of this page and then go back to your settings, find those internet settings again, open it up, find your network once it does load, open up change settings, and then from here, go back down to the DNS settings and just change this back to automatic and then hit save. This will put you back on your normal internet connection and you'll be able to use the Switch like normal again. But yeah, if this video did help you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.